What's up gang, welcome back to this new YouTube video tutorial on Figma. I'll be showing you how to create these micro menu animations. If you're ready, I'm ready. Come with me, let's dive in. Okay, so welcome back guys. So to create this easy home animation menu, what you need to do is first thing first, let's create a rectangle. So I already imported the icons that I'm going to use. They are here already. So after creating the rectangle, let's make this rectangle black like this. Yes, perfect. And adjust the edge, make it black. I just think I'll just make it gold. Yeah, this looks more fine for me. Yeah, so next thing, let me make my page background white. Yeah, good. So next thing is come to the shape builder to select a circle, hold your shift, select it just as big as this. So you can still make the circle a little bit bigger. Yeah, perfect. So let me make the circle white. Double click on it to expose this point, so you can have this just to give you some shape. So I'm going to make this all say 90, then adjust this out like this, and also this out. See. So after doing this, now next thing you need to do is to get another circle in here like this. Yeah, I think this is just okay like this, so I can make the circle black. Yeah, so I'm going to group these and these two together. Ctrl G. So we have this group like this. Now I can now select this tree icon. So select this tree icon, bring them down. So I select this group and adjust it like this. Now put it first and first, put the home icon and let's make this gold. Yeah, so once this is set, we have these centralized. So let's centralize this. Okay, also centralize this. Now let's centralize. So the next thing we need to do is select everything we have here, yes, and create components out of it. Then from the components, we can now create another variable. So once we create this variable, we can now start editing. So next thing is first select this group, move it to central B. So yep, click on the lightning, centralize it with the home menu and change it to gold, and change the home menu to black. So you can align the black with the airdrop icon, which is here. So you click on it and use bottom, align bottom, right? So centralize. So centralize this also. Nice. So we can now create another variable from this, another variable for the last one. So click on the group and adjust it again to the airdrop icon. So decentralize, yes, you can now. So click on the airdrop icon, adjust it. So let's make this gold. So adjust the airdrop icon with the lightning icon like this. Now click on the lightning icon, make it black, and align it with the home icon like this. So this way all the three icons are centralized. Our home also is centralized. So also the lightning icon, just to check, is centralized, because we need everything to be perfect. Now once we're done with this, the next thing we need to do is to prototype. So you click on the prototype and select the lightning icon, click it down to the second variant. So you cannot leave it on click, change to smart animate gen to 800. That's just perfect. So we click on the airdrop icon also and drag it to the last frame, same thing, perfect. So click on the home and take it up, third variant home and bring it to the first variant. So click on the lightning in the third variant and take it to the second variant. The airdrop in the second variant to bring it to the third variant. I think yes, we've aligned these two. Now the airdrop here also. Lightning. I think with that we're done. So we can now create a frame for us to test. So we click, hold Alt and drag one of the components out into this place. Then now we can now check out our prototype. So after doing that, voila, easy peasy. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and if you want to see more micro animations like this, let me know in the comment section which type of animation you want me to see, and I will gladly create the tutorial for you. So like, come your way again next time. Bye for now.